Hey there, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, what's up? My name is Melissa Heck and this is my YouTube channel, Missy's Makeup. Today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look, just an eyeshadow look. It is the one that I have on my eyes right now. This is a summertime pink lemonade inspired, sunset inspired summertime look. I just wanted to have some fun with eyeshadow and get my mind off things. This is what I like to do. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned and we're going to get right into that. It is Wednesday, June 3rd, and it's a heck of a day for makeup! And now let's get right into it. Alrighty then, let's do it. I am going to clip the hair, like always. I'm just going to do a little bit because these clips kind of suck. They don't really hold back a lot of hair, and frankly, as you can tell, my skin is not this gorgeous on its own. Don't let me catfish you that hard. I'm coming at you right now with my base done, and we're just going to do our eyeshadow today for this video. I wanted to make a shorter one. I know that all my videos in the past have kind of been on the longer side. That's what she said. And anyway, we're going to do a colorful look today. It's not my norm, but I'm bored and I'm drinking and it sounded fun. So I'm going to be using multiple palettes to do this. You could pretty much just use any colors if you did want to replicate this for whatever reason. You could just use the same type of colors that you might have in your collection. I had to go and find 2 palettes to do this look with. So today I'm going to be using the, to be honest, I have no idea who this person is. I don't know how to pronounce her name.
Adelaine Morin.
I just have her palette because I thought it was cute. I really love lemons. I love the colors that were in it, and I thought it was cute. I actually won this in a giveaway on Instagram. So yes, people do win those occasionally. So this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can tell, I have loved it in the past. I've used it quite a few times, especially that Promise Ring highlighter shade right there. Lovely blush too. I'm actually wearing it right now, and I'm using the highlighter too. And then I'm going to also be dipping in for just one shade in the Carli Bybel palette from ABH. So we're gonna get into that. Oh, and this is what, try not to drop the brush, this is what this one looks like on the inside. I'm going to be using the pink glitter or metallic, whatever. Okay, starting with the Adelaine Morin palette, I wanted to do a summer look that's kind of like pink lemonade. I don't know why I was feeling that. I was kind of in the mood for that. And honestly, this is going to be using my 3 favorite colors, which happen to be yellow, orange, and pink. So I'm going to be using this shade and this shade from the palette. It's the yellow and the orange, and I'm going to do something I don't normally do, which is I'm going to dip into the dark crease color and place that first. It's not what I normally do. If you've ever seen me do eyeshadow on my channel, I don't typically do that. I've seen other people do it, but I wanted to try it out. So why not? Let's do it. I'm drunk. Here we go. I'm going to try to dip into Boss Lady. It's the orange shade that I want to place into my crease. I'm going to dip into that with an eye shading brush. I feel like this is more flat top. So I'm going to use that right now, and I'm going to place that right here. That is a pigmented color. Ooh, like I said, I was drinking. I am drinking because why not? And I'm drinking Trulies. I've only had 2. I'm a lightweight. Don't make fun of me. I'm just patting that down in my crease area because I want to blend it out with our yellow shade. So I'm patting it down a little bit lower on my eye, keeping it in the crease. And it's okay if some gets on the lid. I'm not worried about it. I'm going to be using pink over that later, so if anything, this will just be like a base beneath the pink. Now I'm going to take a large, it's a tapered blending brush from Luxie, and I'm going to dip right into the yellow shade. It's called Girls Supporting Girls. I'm not sure what that's about. I'm going to tap off the excess a little bit, and I'm just going to start blending out the edge above the crease where the top and the orange meet. And maybe I'm going to do windshield wiper motions right now. So that yellow kind of went kapoosh, and I'm going to dip into a little bit more, and this time I'm not going to tap off the excess because it looks like I don't need to with this shade. And I'm just going to buff out the edge with the yellow. The vibe I'm going for is, like I said, kind of like a pink lemonade, maybe sunset vibes. I don't know. It sounded fun. It's my 3 favorite colors, like I said. So we're doing it. Wow. We need lots of yellow. Get it as bright as I wanted. I thought I used this yellow before in this palette. Guess not. I think I used it as an inner corner, just a yellow with nothing on the lid once. That was a while ago. Now that I think about it, I think I did have to kind of pack that on a little bit. So it's all coming back to me now. I mean, she's kind of cute, I guess. I'm going to go back into my original brush. I'm not going to dip into the orange again. I'm just going to use what's left here on the brush. And I'm just going to go back and forth where the yellow and this orange shade meet, pretty much. Something like that. I'm going to take the yellow brush again. Just one more time to swipey, swipey, swipe. Swipe over that stuff. I might decide to go back into that yellow again. I don't know. Okay. Alright. Next. Do I want to just put the glitter on? I think I'm going to try doing a little bit of a concealer base. Let's take a little itty bit. I'm going to put it right here. Ha! My eye's watering. Stop it. Okie dokie. Now for the glitter. I'm going to go into the Carli Bybel palette, like I said, and I'm going to just throw that brush, who cares? Alright, I'm going to take, it's this shade right here in the Carli Bybel palette. It's called Aura. It's pink and it has glitter. I mean, who doesn't love that? Ooh. I'll admit, I have not used this shade much, but it's purty. It's purty. Packing that just all over the lid. Really foil it up. Went up a little bit high with that pink there. So to combat that, I'm going to take my orange brush with, again, not dipping back into the pan. I'm just going to kind of dust over where I kind of biffed it a little bit. Went a little higher than I kind of wanted to. And just kind of dust that up. Ooh, there's fallout. Let's dust that out of here, shall we? I look so cute when I do that. Don't you wish you looked like that? I bet you do. Now yellow right here. Again. And I didn't dip into that again. Just the brush. Okay, that's kind of pretty. I like it. I need a little brush. A little pencil brush. I am going to now go back into Boss Lady, the orange one. Boss Lady. Tap it off. I'm going to keep that really close to the lash line right here and connect it a little bit at the ends there to where that orange is above. And I'm going to dip in a little bit more again. And remembering that the orange is much more pigmented than the yellow. Okay. I'm going to bring that right all along the lash line. Okay. Now, I'm going to take a smaller, this is a small tapered blending brush. And I'm going to dip back into the yellow. And this, we don't really have to tap off. Man, it's like against everything in me to not tap it off. Okay, and just buff that over the edges of that orange and connect the ends. Kind of run it back up to the top again because that yellow's kind of weak sauce. I don't know what's up with this yellow. I mean, I'm going to do a little bit more yellow because what's up with this? I wanted yellow, orange, and pink, not orange and pink. Give me the yellow. We want the yellow. We want the yellow. It looks okay. I'm happy with it. Ish. Yeesh. I'm going to dip into a small tapered blending brush and I'm going to get Promise Ring. It's the highlighter shade. Love this. Love it so much. I'm going to put that right here on the inner corner and make it nice and bright and shiny. We like shiny things over here. And I'm going to tie that in a little bit above and kind of bring that up into the brow, just right below the brow, right there. Yes. Yes. I love it. I love it so much. So I'm going to go off camera and do the other side to make it look just like this one, and I'll come back for final looks. Okay, and here's what our eyeshadow turned out to look like. Ta-da! Really like that pink on the lids, and somehow, I don't know about this for sure, but somehow I feel like these colors are really good for green or hazel eyes. I have hazel eyes. They look quite green. Oh, don't drink so much, kids. So my eyes look quite green right now, even though they're technically hazel. And I'm going to put on some of my lip gloss stuff. Okay, we put on some lippy glossy gloss. And this is it. This is my pink lemonade sunset, I don't know, summertime eyeshadow look, just to play for fun. And oh, did I mention my shirt? I don't know if you can see it. It's Jean Ralphio. The worst shirt ever. If you don't understand the reference, you need to watch Parks and Recs, because that's all I can say. It's amazing. Anyway, that is it for today. I just wanted to pop on and do a quick eyeshadow look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us on YouTube. And remember to subscribe if you have not already, and ring the bell, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of the social medias. And yeah, thanks so much for joining me here today. I had so much fun, and I'll see you again next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.